Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gell and this is your January 2020 add-on kits available to go with your flavors of the month. So we have a cardstock add-on, a pattern paper add-on, and an embellishment add-on. This is fabulous to have your kits go even further, so when you have new product coming in each month, you're going to have plenty to work with. So you can pick 1, 2, or 3 to add on to your flavors of the month and have them go even further. So let's dig in and take a closer look at everything that you'll receive. First up, for your cardstock add-on, you'll receive 3 sheets of cardstock to coordinate with each one of the 4 collections. So starting with Cardabella Snow Much Fun, you'll receive 1 sheet of Jade cardstock and 2 sheets of Coastal. For Pebbles Happy Cake Day, you're going to receive 1 sheet of Sunflower and 2 sheets of Evergreen. For Photoplay Paper We Are Family, you're going to receive 1 sheet of Moody Blue and 2 sheets of Hibiscus. And for Hey Crafty Girl from Simple Stories is going to be 1 sheet of Yukon Gold and 2 sheets of Rosebud. So this is great if you like doing your layouts on cardstock background or matting them or matting your photos or doing some die cuts on digital die cutters or even manual dies and punches. So lots of options to create and play with your cardstock. The next add-on available is your patterned paper. So if you're like me, I love my patterned paper, and to have even more options is just too hard to resist. So from Cardabella Snow Much Fun, we have this paper that has the mittens and the blues and the greens. The back is this beautiful little fern in the blue. This one's called Bundle Up. Then we have the trees on the dark navy blue. And the back is a snowflake print in the light blue, and this one is called Wonderland. From Happy Cake Day from Pebbles, we have this one that's called Birth Yay, and it has the little 2x2 squares, so you could create a little grid design on the background of your paper. Perfect to make some little cards. You can even make little gift tag cards out of some of these. Just so many options for this sheet of paper. The back is a grid design in yellow, and the branding strip is the sprinkles. This one, called Balloon Bouquet, has all of the bouquets of balloons on that light pink. The back are rows of candles, so you could cut those into strips or use it in the full sheet. The branding sheet on this one is the polka dot with the green. The next up from We Are Family from Photoplay Paper is this beautiful black check with the florals in the corner, and it's all in that distressed off-white. The back is this floral print on yellow. It has the distressed tape done on the corners. This one's called Blessed. This paper called Traditions, which is this gorgeous black roses on this ledger paper, and there's script written throughout. Also the little tape distressing on this one. The back is a white polka dot on black. Then from Simple Stories, Hey Crafty Girl, we have this floral print. The back is a dictionary print, and this one's called DIY Queen. Have this one that's the 2x2 element sheet. Again, you can fussy cut those, use as embellishments, make a grid design out of it. Fussy cut the little camera for embellishments. So many cute icons on this paper and so many ways that you can use it. You can break it up and use some as embellishments, some as a strip, some as a grid background, and just use the entire sheet of paper up. The back is a horizontal strip or horizontal stripes in the different colors. So one more look at the pattern paper. So in your pattern paper add-on, you're going to receive 2 sheets of additional pattern paper for each one of the collections. So none of these repeat from the paper that's in the flavors of the month, but 2 additional pattern papers for each one. Your third add-on is your embellishment add-on. So from Cardabella Snow Much Fun, you're going to get the 6x12 chipboard sheet. So some really pretty icons, some little words and word labels, tags. From Pebbles, Happy Cake Day, you're going to get this package of puffy dots, which this is fabulous. There's 200 dots in here, and you get the entire rainbow of colors. So you're going to have those for projects yet to come for a long time. That is a great set of enamel dots, or puffy dots. From the photo play paper, We Are Family, you're going to get half of the ephemera pack. So it's going to have a mixture of items, and so these are going to vary, but these are some frames that can be punched out, some tags and banners, and then some of these little circles and shapes. So lots of options for embellishing. And then Simple Stories Handcrafty Girl, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have this scalloped wood grain border, we have labels and tabs, as well as all the different icons, again featuring all of the different crafts, not just scrapbooking, but lots of other different kinds of crafts. So we have a sewing machine, we have the Rascog cart, so if you want to document and take pictures of your scrap area, that would be perfect. And the little desk, just so many cute icons. Look at the little typewriter and the banner. We have a banner of pom-poms with the little Polaroids, just so many cute icons. So that is a look at your embellishment add-on. One more look at the 3 add-on kits available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. Also check out these other videos posted here for the flavors of the month, as well as the shots of life, because it coordinates with your flavors of the month as well. So it could be a embellishment and pattern paper add-on. Come on over to the Facebook group and join in on the challenges and see what the design team's creating with their kits. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.